Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Sarosh and I am a foundation level student at Rehan School F at campus Islamabad. And today I am sharing my TEDx talk review and my topic is Your Body Language May Shape Who You Are by M.A. Chuddi. I hope you all are doing well today. I'm excited to share my review of one of the most inspiring and practical TEDx talk I have watched. Your Body Language May Shape Who You Are. This TEDx talk is about something we all use every single day without even realizing its power, our body language. Most of us think communication is only about the words we speak, but MA explains that the way we stand, sit, walk, and express ourselves can influence not only how others see us, but also how we see ourselves. One of the main ideas is this select sauce is that our body language sends message before we even speak. Imagine walking into a job interview with your shoulders down, avoiding eye contact and looking nervous. Now imagine walking in with you head up, standing confidence, making eye contact and smiling even before saying a single word. You have already created a different impression. Emma explains that confident body language can make us appear more capable, trustworthy, and prepared. But what makes this truly fascinating in her suggestion that our body language does not just influence other people, it may also influence our own thought and feeling. She introduces the ideas of power poses. These are open, confident postures such as standing tall with your shoulders back or placing your hands on your hips while standing firmly. One lesson I found especially meaningful in is the phrase "fake it until you become it." Amit does not mean pretending to be someone you are not. Instead, she encourages us to practice confidence until it becomes a natural part of who we are. Sometimes we don't feel confident at first, but by acting confidently, we gradually build genuine self belief. So, watching this inspiring TEDx talk on the TED platform reminded me that simple changes can create big results, improving our posture, smiling more often, maintaining eye contact, and standing confidently may seem like simple action, but they can influence our mindset and they can the way others respond to us. Personally, this TEDx talk made me realize how often I underestimate the importance of nonverbal communication. We spend a lot of time improving our knowledge and speaking skills, but we sometimes forget that our body language also tell a story. A confident postures reflect self-belief, while positive body language help us communicate with greater clarity and impact. Another valuable lesson I learned is that confidence grows through practice. We don't have to wait until we feel fearless before taking action. Whether we are giving a presentation, attending an interview, or starting a new job or meeting new people. Confidence develops each time we step outside our comfort zone. This talk also reminds us that everyone experiences moment of self-doubt. Every highly successful people feel nervous before important events. What matters is not eliminating fear completely, but learning to move forward despite it. My biggest takeaway from this TEDx talk is that the way we carry ourselves and can influence the way we think, the way we feel, and the opportunities we create for ourselves. Confidence is not about being perfect. It's about believing that you are capable of learning, growing, and improving. So, Vibur, this is my TEDx talk review. Hope so you like it. Meet you in the next video. Pakistan Zindabad. Khuda Hafiz.